guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today, I'm gonna mukbang. Our food is tocino roll. My favorite. So let's get started. So I'm gonna dip it on the ketchup. Okay, now let's get eating. I wash my hands. Before I eat, I will wash my hands. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for 97 subscribers. Masapikas matang.
Is it yummy?
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Welcome.
Guys, try this right now. Look at this.
Ang bawyo ng isang anak, doble pasakit para sa mga magulang. Ganyan ang
With ketchup.
pasanin ng isang ina mula sa Tayabas City sa Quezon.
It's really good, guys.
Sa makakatingnan ng anak. Meron din itong itim na balat na tila shorts na ang laki.
So, guys, there is 97 subscribers. I'm gonna put all who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put it on the paper.
Para hindi nagturo. Pinakonsulta natin ang bata sa isang dalubhasang
It's juicy, guys.
You have your channel? What's the name of your channel?
Bayem channel. Mine is Melrose Marapaw. My mom's name.
Sa spine, it can be genetic or it can be sporadic. Meaning to say,